Know you've been a good friend.
Penguins are a group of flightless aquatic birds known for their tuxedo-like appearance, waddling walk, and amazing swimming skills. Although they cannot fly through the air, penguins are incredible swimmers, flying through water with speed and grace. Penguins are native to the southern hemisphere, but not all live in freezing temperatures. You can find them in Antarctica, emperor and Adelie penguins, South America; Magellanic penguins, Africa; African penguins, Australia and New Zealand; little blue penguins, the Galápagos Islands; Galápagos penguin. Remember to like and subscribe. There are around 18 species of penguins, ranging in size, habitat and behavior. Some of the most well-known include emperor penguin, up to 4 feet, 88 pounds, Antarctica, the coldest climate. King penguin, about 3 feet, 30 pounds, sub-Antarctic islands. The Adelie penguin, standing about 2 feet tall and weighing around 11 pounds, it makes its home in Antarctica. Now we have the little blue penguin, just 1 foot in height and weighing approximately 2.2 pounds. These tiny penguins are found in Australia and New Zealand. Lastly, we introduce the Galápagos penguin. At 1.5 feet tall and weighing about 5 pounds, it resides in the Galápagos Islands, the warmest habitat of any penguin species. Penguins are carnivores, feeding mostly on... They catch food underwater using their sharp beaks, and flipper-powered swimming. They can dive deep and hold their breath for several minutes. Fun fact, emperor penguins can dive over 1,800 feet or 550 meters deep. Penguins living in cold regions have amazing adaptations. Thick layers of blubber or fat to stay warm, tightly packed feathers that are waterproof and insulate against freezing temperatures. The huddling behavior. In the Antarctic winter, thousands of male emperor penguins huddle together to survive storms while protecting eggs. Penguins are known for their strong family bonds, fostering a close-knit community where each member plays a crucial role. Most penguins lay 1 or 2 eggs. In many species, both parents take turns keeping the egg warm and feeding the chick, showcasing an incredible partnership and dedication. Emperor penguin males famously carry the egg on their feet under a flap of skin for about 2 months while the females hunt. This extraordinary effort ensures the survival of their young in the harshest conditions. Fun fact, emperor penguin chicks are fed with a milky substance produced in the male's throat. Some penguin species are at risk due to climate change, melting ice and changing ocean temperatures. Overfishing reduces their food supply, and oil spills and pollution further threaten their existence. Habitat destruction also plays a significant role in endangering these remarkable birds. Conservation groups are working hard to protect penguin populations and their environments. Penguins are remarkable birds, evolved not to fly in the air but to fly through water. From freezing Antarctic blizzards to tropical islands, they've adapted to survive and thrive. Whether sliding on ice, diving for fish, or raising chicks in harsh conditions, penguins continue to capture the hearts of people worldwide.